Do you know that people are now using ChatGPT to monetize some channel? Yes, some YouTubers right now are now using ChatGPT to monetize their channel. Even me too, I do use ChatGPT because ChatGPT is also the one that helped me from when I started my channel. You can discover that when I started my channel, I was posting different content from what I'm posting now. Yes, it was ChatGPT that helped me. When I decided to change my niche, I told ChatGPT, this is what I really want to do. This is what I want to create. Like, I need your help. I need your own suggestion about this. ChatGPT is helping a lot of creators right now. Yes, ChatGPT did what I didn't really expect. When I was even starting my channel to the area of educational videos, yes, I have to just ask ChatGPT what I should do. I told ChatGPT that I want to that I'm running a channel. Should I say I'm running a channel that I should put the name here, the Shiboy also. And this channel is talks about how to make money online, social media growth, and other things that need to be done online. Yes, like tech or other things, teaching other things. So I told ChatGPT have started suggesting some things I need to do on the channel, how to edit it to look professional, how to how to should I say how to post or what time I should post for my viewers to be able to see it. I started using this area and ChatGPT has been so good to me since then. You check some of my thumbnail that I've been using, I did not do it myself. It has been ChatGPT that has been providing it all of this for me. ChatGPT do generate these thumbnails for me even without me stressing myself, struggling myself. I will just type on what I want to generate. I will tell ChatGPT I need to generate a thumbnail talking about this topic, talking about the other topic that I really want to use it for my YouTube channel, and this is what I want it to do. And one thing I've seen about ChatGPT is that there is this my channel title that as in my video title that has been disturbing me since then. Yes, but ChatGPT has helped me on that area because I discovered that ChatGPT do help on some things. It optimize some topic for me. That is one of the things I like about ChatGPT. There are topics that if I put it on my channel, it will never my videos will never go viral. But immediately I go to ChatGPT, I say ChatGPT, I want to create a video on how to make money online, how to make 1,000 naira online. I'll just tell ChatGPT, this is what I want. I want it to optimize this topic in a way that it will go viral or people will see this topic very well. Then ChatGPT will just generate everything I need. I will just tell ChatGPT, optimize the topic and generate me a viral description. If you see some of my description, I didn't write it myself. I'll just tell ChatGPT just generate me the description, everything I need to post. ChatGPT will generate the we optimize the text. She give me three topic that will be viral for that particular topic or that will be recommendable that is searchable for people to see that video. And other feature is that it can generate description, viral description with some hashtag that is very good for that your video. And again, it can also help you create a create script for you can create script for you. Let me say it like that. It can create script for you. That area of creating script for you is that it will help you generate a video that you are about to do all about it. That video that is all about, let me say, it's about making money online. It can suggest some app that you need to it can suggest some app that you need to put on your video. It can suggest some website that can help you make that money online. It can suggest something that you need to add to your video for it to go viral or for people to see it or for that video to be professional. Yes, ChatGPT is helping a lot of creators now. Please, if you have been struggling with your channel, ChatGPT will help you. Download ChatGPT if you don't have it on your phone now. If you are using App Store, go and download it on App Store. Just type ChatGPT and download it. But if you don't have, if you are using an Android, download it on your Play Store. Use ChatGPT. Just use ask some prompt. If I'm to say, learn some prompt that you have to add to ask ChatGPT. But me, I don't really ask ChatGPT many things. But if you are someone that really don't understand some big grammars, you can just ask tell ChatGPT to just generate it in a way in a humanized form. Yes, the lowest way that human can understand it without adding much words, big grammars, ambiguous words. Yes, but if you are someone that can really understand, just put in your prompt. I want you to create this type of video. I want you to recreate my channel. I can why is it that my channel is not getting views? All these are questions that you can ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will do all these things for you without you suffering. ChatGPT will do it without you stressing yourself. ChatGPT can help you monetize fast. To me, I discovered that ChatGPT is helping more of my videos now to go viral. Yes, my videos are not getting much views, it's true, but I know that I will grow someday. But ChatGPT has been the one helping me. It's true, there is not that I cannot create thumbnail, but I know that ChatGPT can create the type of thumbnail that I really want and the type of thumbnail that I really want to add to my video. ChatGPT can help me create all those things. Not that I cannot create it, but ChatGPT will help me give me an optimizer, and the one that is that if people see it, that people can really go to that video and watch it. Let me say creating eye-catching thumbnail. You can use ChatGPT or VDIQ, but ChatGPT do create it very well for me. But the only thing is that there are limits for your video, for your thumbnail creation. If you get the money, you can subscribe for the pro version. But if you are people like me that are small creators that don't really have the money to pay for this website, but you can just wait till the time that you gave you. There are some time that you give you to recover. You can create more videos on it. Please, I know that this video has been helpful to many people. I know that many people find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and share to your loved ones. Thank you. Download ChatGPT today and start using it. Don't wait for people to tell you this. Many creators are talking about this, but me, I've been using this for months now, not up to 8 years, but I've used it for months now, even before some creators started talking about it. Please subscribe and comment.